Welcome, in front of me is a Denver SDQ, and today I'll show you how to transfer contacts from the SIM card to the device. Now to get started, we'll need to open up the Contacts app, standalone version of it, which is right over here. Once you tap on it, as you can see, all the contacts that are right now on here are located on the SIM card, and you can define where they are based on the icon that is next to the letter. As you can see, this one has a green icon with a 1, it's in the middle of a SIM, so that's basically where they're located at, which is a number 1 slot of the SIM tray, and it is a, well, SIM card obviously. So from here you want to tap on the 3 bars, go to Settings, go to Import, select SIM or USIM, next, and choose Phone, or in case that you're logged in into Google, it will give you an option to choose your Google account instead. Select whichever one works for you, and then tap Next. And here you can select all the contacts that you wish to transfer. So simply just tap on the ones that you want, like so. And then once you're satisfied with everything that is selected, click on OK. And that's about it. Now if we go back, we should have duplicates, like you can see right here. Now if you take out the SIM card right now, only the contacts without any kind of icon next to the letter will remain. So as you can see, there is a couple on the bottom, one over here, and well, there's a couple more below. So that is how you would import contacts from the SIM card to the device. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.